Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, what I will show you is the two charts that I did have on my Twitter account. I was looking at ADA and I was looking at Ethereum, and this is how it looks when we are looking at it right here. But when it comes to Ethereum, so we're looking at two potential levels on Ethereum to see the reverse down. When it comes to ADA, we got three different levels, and this is where I will show you what the market could potentially do around them. And we are looking at 0.2845 to see if this only will be where the market drops down to give us a pullback and have the strength to continue to higher targets. If that is not the case, then we're looking at the Fibonacci level and take profit one level at 0.1635. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you in detail what I see on ADA on Ethereum right now. Don't forget that you can also receive the best bonus available at this moment on BYBIT up to $30,030 by using the link in my description down below my video, guys. This is of course how you are supporting the channel, but this is where you can have low fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time, and you have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. You can just go in here and search for yourself of what you want to do. It takes you around 30 seconds to register on this platform, but they got so many different things. They also have where you can take trades from professional traders. They also show you how you can buy crypto in 1 minute, and they also give out extra bonuses when you're using certain tools the first time. They have a live chat that is providing 24/7 instant response whenever you need. Great platform, that all I can say, and you have the link in the description down below my video. First thing that I want to do is that I want to show you my Twitter account, and this is where you should definitely follow me too. You have the link in the corner of this stream, and what you can also see is that I do give you daily updates about cryptocurrencies, about the updates that I do have from my live streams. But two things that I did today was that I did post on both Ethereum and ADA of what potential scenarios can happen from certain levels. It is Fibonacci levels, support and resistance zones, etc. that I am using. And when it comes to Ethereum, we have officially broken the sideways market. I am using 1560 level support. We can obviously see that we have one support right here to around 1520, but we're going to dive into that soon. Two potential levels that where another retest can appear from before more bearish momentum levels on the charts. So if we go to the levels that we have on the charts at the moment, as I spoke about, we have been going in a sideways market. Technically, we're still inside the sideways market because we pull back down to the support that we have around 1550. And this is where the market is giving us, of course, some rejections. And this is the reason why I also do believe that if the market will continue down, I still believe that the market will give us some lower high levels first. And I'm looking at this previous support that we did break around 1565, and we have the Fibonacci levels also between 1595 and 1620. So these are the two levels that I can eventually see Ethereum pull back up to and give us another retest before a possible reverse down can happen again. Because if we're looking at the weekly chart, we have the evening start, which means that inside of this previous supply level, that this can with high probability be the beginning for the market to continue to be bearish next week. But this is the reason why we go down to the 4 hourly to see what level the market could potentially retest before we are where I am getting in for a short position. Because of course, if we are at the top right here and if the market's gonna continue down to the support, because this can happen, well then of course we want to catch the movements from the highs before this is happening. We don't want to, of course we can catch it in the middle, but if we see that the market is starting to reverse from here, it will be the best place to go short in the market when it comes to Ethereum at this moment. But as I said, we're looking at these levels to see if this will be where the market is giving us a retest for the market to continue down. But if the market's going to continue with the sideways market and the market going to continue to be bullish, because that can obviously also happen, then we will see how the market first of all will take us back up to the resistance at 1680. And from from here, we just have to wait and see if the market's gonna find the strength to break up above it or not. But in this case, at this moment, what we're looking at, we're looking to see if the market's gonna give us some lower high levels and then see the market continue to drop from here. When we're looking at ADA, here are some possible scenarios that can potentially happen based off support resistance zones and Fibonacci levels. And this is how it looks when you're looking at my Twitter account. But if we go to the 12 hourly first of all, this is how it looks. And the reason why I have all of these different levels is because if we're looking at the weekly chart, the market is obviously giving us one support. The market is creating high highs and high lows on the lower time frames, but the market came back up, retested one Fibonacci level that we do have at this point at 0.4 thousand. Market start to give us the reverse the same way that we see on Ethereum. And one of the levels that we're looking at this moment is that if we're breaking below this level at 0.3575, we just might have one push up and give us a lower high based on different Fibonacci levels that we're looking at. But if the market is gonna give us the rejection and the continuation down, the next target that I'm looking at 0.2845, and this is also one level that the market can come back down to once again, only to give you the next bounce to the upside, because we do not know if the market's going to continue to be bearish or if the market's going to continue to be bullish. Based on that, we see that the market is creating a lower high level at the moment, but this can also be where the market is reversing the trend and we're using the previous support level before the fake out. And by backtesting this, we know that the market usually retests the support before the market give you the next momentum to higher targets. The exact same thing that I spoke about on yesterday's video when it comes to BTC is that we also have right here, as you can see, we have one support the market can drop down to only to give you more momentum to higher targets. But at this moment, on the lower time frames, on the higher time frames, we do look bearish at this moment. But when the market is reaching 0.2845, we will see, if now this is the case, and we will see the market either give us the rejection to higher targets, or this will be where the market is giving you a clear breakout retest from below. And the next target that we're looking at this time is 0.1635, because the level that we did retest here at 0.4 thousand is a Fibonacci level, and take profit 1 is down at 1,635. So these are the levels the market can continue to drop down to. But if the market does fail to break below the level, just have in mind that the market can give us another bullish momentum, then we just might have the strength to break above this previous support. So there, I'm a little bit unsure what's going to happen overall when it comes to all of the currencies. I don't think anyone actually knows exactly what's going to happen. The only thing that we can do is that we're using these levels on different time frames, and especially on the higher time frames, and then just see and break down everything to the lower time frames and see if the market is actually making sense around these levels and do what we expect it to do. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. Until then, I wish everyone a fantastic weekend. Have a good day. Bye. Love you.